prayer.
Our Father, in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
கொடிபாட்டு பாரத தேவி மணிக்கொடி பாடி பக்தியுடன் இதை வணங்குவோம் வாரி. Pledge. India is my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. Every teacher once was a student. Every winner once was a loser. Every expert once was a beginner. But all of them have crossed the bridge called learning. Jana